Okay, this might suck, but we're gonna run this camera. We've got it in the sewer line. Their issue here in this home is it's a bathroom slash laundry room, 2 in 1. So, and the main line, we're gonna come out of a T, and then we'll be in that line. We've got several problems with it. So. Okay, here we go. Trying to get you the best I can with no glare. This is over by the front. I've already got that located where some clean out should be. Don't see any through here. There may be one. I dug around a little bit. I didn't spot it. But I did locate where the main line comes out of the home. And let's see. I'll go a little bit closer. Try that again. As we get under the house, I haven't made it to the TV. Spot that small belly there. There's our T. So now we're in the line that comes over to this side of the home. I get some glare, sorry. We're gonna go slow as possible because there's cracks throughout this entire line. You can see right there how cracked that is. Just following that crack along. Gonna continue. This is a long line. Oh, you can see just past some roots coming through. We're coming up on some more. Just, there could be some spider webs. Oh, wow. Looks like a whole separation there. It is hot. Okay, you can see there's no fixing this pipe. This is going to be underwater the entire way, all the way till I get to this 90, which is actually a toilet. I'm down a toilet vent right now. Goodness gracious. All right. Okay, y'all.